We have all the latest tech gadgets to make your time efficient and productive. These gadgets today will give you a chance to experience life as you've never done before. This video is a compilation of all the gadgets that you may need to turn your ordinary life into something magnificent. Be it for your health or fun, we have it all covered today. But before going any further, if you're watching this video right now, please hit like. If you're new to this channel and want to know more about the trendiest and craziest gadgets and tech available in the market, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so that you can get notified whenever amazing videos like this are uploaded. If you want to get any of these gadgets today, click the link in the description box down below to get a special Tech Giants discount. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Giant. It is time to transform your life with these exceptionally amazing gadgets. With these gadgets on our list today, you will be able to do things that you have never seen or experienced before. Number 1. Horizon Bedside Lamp. The perfect bedside lamp to fit your room interior. It is a sophisticated lamp with a design like a tree. Connected to a power source, and it'll provide you with an accurate amount of illumination. With an easy touch sensor setting, you can also adjust the brightness and dimness according to your liking. The display also has a digital clock. Another amazing feature is that it will automatically turn off after 30 minutes in case you forget to turn it off before sleeping. It can be paired with your phone via Bluetooth to play peaceful music like the chirping of birds for you to wake up to. Not just this, it can also charge your phone with a fast wireless charger. Number 2. Draft Top Opener. Now you don't have to pour your canned beverages into a glass to have your perfect sip. You can turn your can into an aluminum glass with this draft top opener. With a few twists over the can, you can easily remove the top and have a glass with smooth edges, and you don't have to worry about cutting yourself. Enjoy your beverages more with the wider opening. You can even add garnishes if you wish. Do you like your drink with a few drops of lime? Perfect, now you can add it very easily. Number 3. Wick Light. Experiencing a power outage? Don't worry, you won't stumble in the dark with this wick light on your wrist. You can find your way to the fuse box with this light on your wrist, and once you've reached there, you can place it on any metal surface to fix your electricity. Not just this, you can even use it when your car breaks down. If you don't have a metal surface available, you can simply clip it on your clothes. It can work up to 12 hours with various dimness and color modes available, so you don't have to worry about the battery running low if you're stuck in the dark. Number 4. Arc-X Ring. Need to answer your phone or change the song while working out? These Arc-X rings will do that for you. You don't have to grab your phone every now and then and get distracted during your jogging or exercises. This smart sports ring with the joystick will let you do simple functions on your phone with ease. To increase its functional efficiency, it comes with various cases. You can strap it to your bicycle handlebars or other spots for ease. It has Bluetooth connectivity to be paired with devices like speakers or action cams. It comes with Android and iOS apps for custom settings. It has a battery life of 20 days on standby and for 5 days after a single hour-long charge. Number 5. Lockly Doorbell. This smart lock with the doorbell camera will make it easier for you to know who's on the door. With the HD camera on this device, you can check your door without having to walk all the way there. It enables you to open the door in 5 ways: voice command, app control, 3D fingerprint reader, online or offline access code, or physical key. This means that your friend or guest won't have to wait at the door for long. You can even monitor through the app if your door is open or closed, which is a good thing from a security point of view. Your codes are secure with the special Genie touchscreen. The biometric fingerprint is the ultimate security. Number 6. Magmo Call Recorder. This innovative device is a savior when someone on an important call tells you to note down something but you don't have a paper and pen. That's when the Magmo Call Recorder comes into play. Clip the device at the back of your phone and just slide the button up when you want to record something. It gives clear recorded audio even with crowded and noisy settings. It is very useful so that you never miss out on any detail for your work. Number 7. DJI Avata Drone. The new DJI Avata drone with its DJI Goggles 2 and DJI Motion Controller set gives you the best FPV drone experience. With the diopters and the controller in your hand, you can move the drone according to your hand movement. With your hand up and down or right or left movement, the drone moves likewise. This drone flies with ease in closed spaces, so you can explore everything. Moreover, it has a propeller guard feature, which bounces it back in case of collision. This drone generates amazing footage as it supports 4K, ultra-wide-angle recording, and a 155-degree field of view. Number 8. Global Zero Lighthouse. With this lamp, you don't have to worry about getting lost in the dark. You can carry it with you while camping at night. It is an adjustable light. You can dim or brighten it according to your need. Moreover, it has dual light directional lighting, which allows you to choose either half lighting or full lighting. If you're running out of battery in your phone, you can use this lamp to recharge your phone. The lamp's internal battery can also be recharged easily with any USB port. To fix it in your camp, you can also adjust its legs and fold them, and the hook in, and it turns into a lantern. Number 9. Geek Hub. Do you want to spice up your music experience? This is the ideal DJ controller for your PC. You might be wondering, what does that even mean? With rotary buttons, you can adjust the volume, and with the push of a button, you can mute the music or answer a call. You can even skip the music tracks with a single button. Moreover, it has triple USB ports. Number 10. Smecia Cal Hub. This hub is the perfect computing accessory for you. It comes with 3 HDMIs, multiple Type-C ports, 3 USB-A ports, and a TF card slot. It can be connected to your smartphone. It supports Android smartphones and has microcomputer operations. It operates like a PC once it's connected to the phone. It is compatible with 3 displays at a time. A remarkable feature is an inbuilt fan to prevent overheating and for maximum efficiency. At the same time, the RGB lights give it a very cool look. Number 11. Yabber Pico T1. This small device is a projector. It can project a screen size of 70 inches. If you want to watch a movie from your phone, it can be easily connected. You can even connect it to a Wi-Fi network to watch your favorite movie on a big screen, or connect it to your console switch to have a memorable gaming session. It has a touch panel for settings. It is compact and portable, so you can carry it anywhere with you and turn any surface into a big screen. You can adjust it on the magnetic tripod for a perfect angle. Number 12. IQ Air Atem Purifier. Time to breathe healthy air. This personal desk air purifier has touch sensors for settings. You can turn it on or off and adjust the fan speed with just a finger touch. It rapidly cleans the air around you. It is capable of filtering air up to 0.003 micron levels, which is smaller than the average virus size. Number 13. Everything Pillow. You need a quick, quiet nap during your work break? This gadget is made especially for you. It provides support to your neck with its 3-dimensional neck support and has special noise-canceling earmuffs that cut out the noise around you. This makes your power nap efficient and you're able to be more productive at your work. It is especially designed with 7 layers of sound isolation material. This greatly decreases the noise around you in your workspace and saves you from unnecessary distractions. That's it for today. Please comment under this video to learn about the latest and craziest tech available. We will try to come up with more trendy and crazy gadgets in our upcoming videos. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.